Another warm one out there today, Dana, and looks like some rain moving through tonight. Is that going to cool things off at all?
Exactly. It's going to change our pattern a little bit. So we were very hot and humid out there today. The rain will be overnight for most of us, lingering a little into tomorrow morning, and then we'll be a little cooler and a little less humid. Nice. So it's like a nice little overview of what we've got going on here. So our high temperatures for today, though, pretty warm out there. We got to 87 in Portland today, 90 in Portsmouth, 85 in Augusta, 84 in Bangor. Our average high temperature is still only 77. Now at this point, we have started to see the rain from that cold front begin to move into areas of far northwestern Maine, a couple of showers in southwestern Maine, and then this rain is going to overspread much of the state overnight tonight. And we'll see that here. Some of the heaviest rain will be in areas from the mid-coast into eastern Maine as we get into early tomorrow morning. But this rain is going to move through pretty quickly. And by the time we get to between about 9 to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, almost all of the rain will have exited our area. And we'll already start to see some sunshine in areas through central and western Maine. Though overall, this is going to change our pattern a little bit. It's going to be a little bit cooler, and it's going to be significantly less humid than it was today. So once we get some of that sunshine coming up in the afternoon, we might see a couple of pop-up thunderstorms in the afternoon there. Temperatures getting into the upper 70s to lower 80s. And then this sets us up really nice for a very good day on Friday. A little bit cool in the morning, temps dropping down into the mid to upper 50s. Plenty of sunshine throughout the afternoon. Really great day. High temperatures in the low to mid 70s. And then we will start to build in a little bit more cloud cover throughout the day Saturday. And then we'll have some rain that we'll talk about through kind of the middle of the weekend. So overnight tonight, we'll see that cold front move through, and that will bring in an area of high pressure behind it, and that sets us up for a really nice Friday and Saturday. A lot of sunshine on Friday, temps a little bit cooler, but then we have another system that kind of comes in pretty quickly behind this area of high pressure, and that's essentially going to bring us some rain for Saturday overnight into early Sunday morning. And that's going to make this Sunday forecast a little bit tricky. So cloudy throughout the day Saturday, and then we'll start to see some rain move into areas of western Maine Saturday night, overspreading much of the state into the early morning on Sunday. And then the cold front rain will be over by early Sunday morning, and we'll have a little bit of a break of some sunshine in the afternoon. And then it could get pretty warm with temperatures getting into the 80s once again. And then because of that, we'll have some pop-up showers in the afternoon. So it's kind of like we'll have some rain, we'll have a break, and then we'll have more rain later in the evening on Sunday. And then overall, I don't think it's a bad weekend, but we do have that rain to contend with a little bit there. Rain forecast sees 2 to 5 feet, water 57 degrees. We do have a small craft advisory in effect until Thursday at 6 a.m. there. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, the hot and humid weather of the week is over at this point. We'll have that rain move through tonight. It'll be heaviest from the mid-coast through areas of northern and eastern Maine, lingering a little bit in eastern Maine, especially down east early Thursday morning, but it'll still clear out pretty quickly by about between 9 and 10 in the morning. Temps getting into the mid to upper 70s, and then really smooth sailing as we get into Friday, a little bit cooler, significantly less humid. Then as we get into the weekend, we'll start out with a nice day on Saturday, build in a little bit of cloud cover late in the afternoon, and kind of another deal where we have a cold front moving in overnight. And then Zach, I talked about that Sunday forecast where it's kind of like a little bit of rain in the morning, some sunshine in the afternoon, some storms a little bit later. So it's a little bit of a mixed bag coming up this weekend, but I'll take a little less humidity. It's got to keep my hair in check.
Yes, me too. Thanks, Dana.